Hello guys, I have pajamas on. This was my baby pajamas, Peppa, Princess Peppa. Look at them! To me. So yeah. I'm just wearing them out. So, this is a bucket that is not clean. But who cares? Okay. So this is a bucket for markers and stuff, but I dumped them out. I'm going to see how many fidgets can I put in here. There. In 3, 2, 1. So we got 1. Put that. I don't know if the needle is going to go in there, but maybe. I don't know what's the needle actually. Another puppet. So that's what it looks like right now. Mini puppet in the middle. There. I'm not going to include this because look how big it is compared to my hand. So yeah, I'm not going to include it. This is a maybe pile, so put that over there. Oh, this is definitely, it's going to go in here because look how small it is. Okay, simple dibble, go. Let me go. Okay, so. Me popped it. Okay. This. Holy. Stuffing it in. Oh, look at it. I know I have another fidget somewhere. So okay. Yeah, I can't see it. Yeah, I don't know where it is. I think I know where it is though. A little. It's at somebody's house. I'm probably not gonna get them back. Yes! I'm just kidding. Okay. So a bracelet, I can just fold it up really tiny. And then just put it like that. Can I fold this up real tiny and then maybe I can put it in like this. If I still have my mini racket trap, I'll give it to someone. Caleb, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna do it. I don't really have that much mini fidgets. Okay, let's see if I put another poppet in there. I lost count, so because I forgot to start counting, but bum, bum, bum. I don't know why I had to do that, but yeah. Monkey noodle? It's not one of these. Monkey noodles, then we can just boom, small. Holy, look at this. Okay. I got kind of too big. Ooh. Snake? No. Bracky Shrek fits. Oh. Hey. Sorry. Okay, I'll just leave it out. Okay, I think that's all the fidgets. Let me try the octopus. Yeah, that's definitely all the fidgets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fidgets I can fit in here. So bye.